कृष्ण दीनबन्धु जगत्पते गोपेश गोपिका कान्ता राधा कान्ता नमोस्तुते तप्त काञ्चन गौराङ्गी श्रीराधे वृन्दावनेश्वरी वृषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरिप्रिये वाञ्छाकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपा सिन्धुभ्य एव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः नमः ॐ विष्णुपादाय कृष्णप्रेष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते भक्तिवेदान्त स्वामिनिति नामिने नमस्ते सारस्वती देवे गौरवाणी प्रचारिणे निर्विशेष शून्यवादे पाश्चात्य देशतारिणे श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैता गदाधरा श्रीवासादि गौर भक्त वृंदा हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे. Happy Radhashtami, everybody. So we will start. So these are the 8 verses that glorify Srimati Radharani. The best thing we can ever do for Radhashtami is glorify Radharani and pray to her lotus feet. Right? That's the best kind of seva we can do. And through Radhikashtakam, it's the best way we can do it because it is written by Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami. He's not an ordinary person, right? He is a great devotee. He has composed Chaitanya Charitamritam. Okay, so let's begin. रासलास्य गीत नर्म सत्कलालि पंडित प्रेम रम्य रूप वेश सद्गुणालि मंडित विश्वनव्य गोपयोषिदालितोऽपि यादिका मह्यमात्मपाद पद्मदास्य दास्तु राधिका मह्यमात्मपाद पद्मदास्य दास्तु राधिका. Yeah, Pravina Mataji, you wanna try?
Hare Krishna Mataji, shall I repeat after you?
Yeah. रासलास्य गीतनर्म
रासलास्य गीतनर्म
सत्कलालि पंडित
सत्कलालि पंडिता
प्रेम रम्य रूपवेश
प्रेम रम्य रूपवेश
तद्गुणालि मंडिता
सद्गुणालि मंडिता
विश्वनव्य गोपयोषित
विश्वनव्य गोपयोषित
आलितोऽपि यादिका
आलितोऽपि अधिका
मह्यमात्मपादपद्मदास्य दास्तु राधिका
मह्यमात्मपादपद्मदास्य दास्तु राधिका. Thank you, Mataji.
Hare Krishna. Yeah, so the translation, she is very learned in many transcendental arts. Same applies to Krishna also, right? So Krishna is also very learned in all the arts, like I think 164 art forms, if I'm not wrong. So even Rani is equally capable, right? So she is also learned in many transcendental arts such as performing rasa dance, singing, joking, etc. So she is decorated with many divine qualities such as loving nature, exquisite beauty, and wonderful garments and ornaments. Even among the cowherd damsels of Raja, who are praised by the entire universe, she is the best in every way. May Srimati Radhika bestow upon me the service of her lotus feet. Right? So it is said in Chaitanya Charitamritam that every all the beauty and luster in this entire world, right, in all the material worlds and spiritual worlds put together is in Radharani. And all the devatas and the Lakshmis and the deities, right, they take their beauty from Radharani. Like we study, no, in childhood we've studied in science where the moon does not have light of its own, borrows light from sun, right? So same way all the Lakshmis and all the deities, right, all the female goddesses, they take their beauty, they borrow little from Radharani's beauty. So Radharani is like an ocean, everybody can go take little from there, and the ocean is still not going to the water in the ocean is still not going to become less in quantity, right? So that is how beautiful she is, right? And because she is none other than Krishna, no, the female version of Krishna is Srimati Radharani, right? So little bit about appearance. Rishabhanu and Kirtida, right? They actually performed many years of penances and austerity. And you know what they asked for when the Lord appeared in front of them? They were like, "We want you as daughter. We want you in the form of a daughter." So they were like, so everybody knows Vishnu. Usually we ask son, right? Oh, we want Vishnu as our son, Krishna as our son. But these couple asked Vishnu to be their daughter. So then they get Rishabhanu Sute Devi, right? So then they get Radharani as their daughter. So that is another proof to prove that Radharani is none other than Lord Krishna, but female version. They are one eternally, they have separated themselves, right, for pastime purpose. Right? Yeah, next. Who wants to try this? Fifth verse, and then we'll go to the next.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hare Krishna.
रासलस्य गीत नर्म सत्कलालि पंडित प्रेम रम्य रूप वेश सद्गुणालि मंडित विश्वनव्य गोपयोषिदालित पियादिक मह्यमात्म पाद पद्म दास्य दास्तु राधिक मह्यमात्म पाद पद्म दास्य दास्तु राधिक हरे कृष्ण
Hare Bol. Thank you, Prabhu. Hare Krishna. Yeah, now the sixth verse. Who wants to try?
Mataji, after you, Mataji, Hare Krishna.
Yeah,
Pranam.
yes, Mataji. Nityanavya
Nityanavya Rupa Keli
Krishna Bhava Sampada
Krishna Bhava Sampada
Krishna Raga Bandha Gopa
Krishna Raga Bandha Gopa
Yauvateshu Kampada
Yavvateshu Kampada
Krishna Rupa Veshakeli
Krishna Rupa Vesha Keli
Lagna Satsamadika
Lagna Sat Samadhika
Mahyamatma Pada Padmadasya Dasturadika.
Mahyamatma Pada Padma Dasya Dastu Radhika. Thank
Hare
you,
Bol.
Mataji.
Hare Krishna. Thank you, Mataji. So, what does this mean? She possesses all the opulences of eternal youthful beauty, eternal pastimes, and eternal love for Krishna. Right? So, it is said here Nitya Navya Rupa, Nitya Krishna Bhava, right? Nitya Raga Bandha. So, Krishna Raga Bandha. So, she possesses all the opulences and then of the eternal beauty. That's why she is called Kishori. Right? Kaishora Leela means the Leela performed around 15 years age, 12 to 15 or 10 to 15. Right? That adolescent age. That's called youth. Right? So here, that's why she is called Kishori and Krishna is called Kishora because they are eternally in that appearance, in that look. Even if Krishna, like when it is said when he was reciting, I mean, giving Bhagavad Gita knowledge to Arjuna, I think he was around 800 years or something. He was 800 years old. But still, he was looking like a 16-year-old boy. Same way, Radharani also, even if she turns 800 years, right, still she will be looking like a youthful girl. That's why she's gotten the name Kishori and Krishna has gotten the name Kishora, right? Kishora, Kishori, right? Because their original eternal form is to be youthful. Part of eternal pastimes of Krishna, and she also has eternal love for Krishna. Her ecstatic feelings of love for Krishna cause the gopis who are also in love with Krishna to tremble. She is always attached to meditating on Krishna's beautiful form, ornaments, garments, and pastimes. And may Sri Radhika bestow upon me the service of her own lotus feet. Right? See, here it is said, gopis, right, her ecstatic feelings of love for Krishna cause the gopis who are also in love with Krishna to tremble. What does this mean? Anyone? Even gopis tremble by looking at Radharani's love for the Lord. What does that mean? Why do they tremble?
Because she is the topmost devotee of the Lord. She
Yeah.
is that internal energy of the Lord.
So why should they for that?
Because it is so powerful.
Sorry?
Because it's so powerful, Mataji.
So they used to tremble because they always wanted to, see Krishna happy, and they knew very well Radharani is the only one who can give Krishna complete happiness. So they wanted to make sure their bhav for Radha Krishna to be constantly that way. They shouldn't compete with Radharani, right? So they always used to tremble. One pastime I would like to recite, right, in this context. There was a swing festival going on, right, in Vrindavan. There were one swing festival was happening. It was only Krishna and gopis. Okay, then what happened? All the gopis were there. Swing was ready. Krishna was ready. He came to the swing festival. All gopis were there. And then what happened? Narada Muni came. Okay, then he was like, oh, what is happening and all. Krishna told swing festival is going to happen. We are waiting for Radharani to come. Okay, so then what is still not here. Then the gopis were like, Lalita Sakhi and Vishaka Sakhi, they were like, no, she's getting ready, she'll come in some time. So what Narada did, he took this as an opportunity to prove gopis' love for Radha Krishna. Okay, and he said, so far, I mean, until she comes, swing will be empty only. No, why don't you and Lalita Sakhi sit on this on the swing? Right, so Krishna was like, what? Me and Lalita? No, I want Radharani. Let her come, we'll wait. So then Narada Muni was like, he started forcing Lalita. Then Lalita was like, no, Radharani, it is Radharani's place. I can't go and sit with Krishna. Somehow he convinced, and both Krishna and Lalita sat on the swing and they started swinging. Okay, until Radharani comes. That was the deal. Okay, but in the meantime, what happened when they were swinging? Narada Muni escaped from there, went to Radharani's house. She was getting ready. She was wearing earrings and all that. He went there and said, Radharani, what are you doing? Then she was, I'm trying to match the earrings with my dress and all that. So he was like, why are you getting ready? So he was like, she was like, swing festival. Then Narada Muni was like, swing festival? Already it started. It is already happening. Oh, they left you off. They left you and they started. Then Radharani started getting so angry. She was like, how can it start? Then he was like, no, Lalita is there with Krishna on the swing. Already they are swinging. Then she ran, okay, to see, and Narada Muni started showing somehow, you see, there Lalita and Krishna are sitting. She got so angry and she left the place. And she ran and she went to some other forest of Vrindavan and she started crying and crying and crying. Then Krishna is wondering over here why she didn't come still, why she didn't come still. Then he wanted to send Narada Muni to bring Radharani. So he started searching for Narada Muni. He was not there. So Krishna was like, now I know Narada tricked us and we fell off into the tricks. So Krishna went to Rani into some other forest where she was, and her he told, Narada Muni is the one who trapped us. He told, sit for some time until she comes, and all that. Lalita also did not want to sit. She wanted only you to sit on the swing. That is the kind of respect that all the gopis have for you. That who made arrangements for the swing? All the gopis. They were the one who tied the swing and they decorated the swing and all, just to see you and me sit on the swing, right? So neatly he convinced. Then Radharani understood, and then the swing festival continued. Okay, so this is what I wanted to try to tell you all, that gopis always want to see Radha Krishna together. They always want to see Radha Krishna happy. Right? So that's why they tremble. How to make them happy? We shouldn't compete with her. We shouldn't fall into lust. Some or the other way. That's the reason they tremble all the time. Right? Yeah, who wants to sing this verse now? Sixth verse, then we'll go to the seventh.
Mataji, it's not fully visible. I'd like to try.
Yes. Huh?
I'd like to
Yeah,
try,
you can
Mataji.
try.
Visible.
You can sing, Prabhu. Hare Krishna.
Mataji, the lyrics are not visible, Mataji. It's too zoomed in.
You can zoom your screen, no? Here I'll try to zoom, but I don't know how.
It is your screen, Mataji. Okay, I'll try. I'll
Zoom on your phone also.
Navya Rupa Kedi Krishna Bhava Sampada Krishna Raga Banta Gopa Yavateshu Kampada Krishna Rupa Vesha Kedi Lagna Sat Sampatika Maya Matma Padma Padma Tasha Dasturadika मह्यमात्मपादपद्म दास्यदस्तु राधिका. Hare Krishna
Hare
Mataji.
Krishna. Thank you, Hare Krishna. Yeah, now the next verse. Who wants to sing?
Mataji, shall I try, Mataji?
Yes, Prabhu. Hare Krishna.
Yes, Mataji. स्वेदकम्पकन्तकाश्रु गद्गदादि सञ्चित मर्ष हर्ष वामतादि भावभूषणञ्चित कृष्णनेत्रतोषिरत्न मन्दनालिदादिक मह्यमात्मपाद पद्मदास्य दास्तु राधिका मह्यमात्मपाद पद्मदास्य दास्तु राधिका. हरे कृष्ण.
Hare Krishna. Thank you, Prabhu. So, what does this mean, this paragraph? She is graced with 8 ecstatic symptoms. Ashta Satvik Vikar we say. Satvika Bhava, such as trembling, perspiring, standing upon the bodily hair, tears, faltering of her voice, and so forth. She is adorned with different ecstatic emotional ornaments such as impatience, joy, contrariness, and so forth. She is decorated with beautiful jewels that give total delight to the eyes of Krishna. May Sri Radhika bestow upon me the service to her own lotus feet. Okay, so see here it is given. This is called Bhava state, Ashta Satvika Vikar. When we attain Bhava stage, we will also start showing these. Right? Chaitanya Mahaprabhu always used to show trembling, hair standing on end, crying, tears, right? And then perspiring, body complexion turning pale, falling unconscious, voice getting choked, right? These are all Ashta Satvik Vikar. There are 8 such symptoms, and that we show only when we are in bhava stage. Okay, and she is adorned with the first she is adorned with different ecstatic emotional ornaments such as impatience. So impatience is also part of love for the Lord, right? Bhakti also has impatience. If she is not able to see Krishna, she starts to feel impatient. Even gopis show this, right? Radharani and gopis, they usually say, why did Brahma create eyelids? See, every time the eyelids close and open, that one fraction of second, we cannot see Krishna properly, right? Why did he give us eyelids? Right? That is called impatience. Even one moment they do not want to miss seeing the Lord or serving the Lord, right? And if they're not able to see Krishna, sometimes when he is late from coming back from forest, right? He goes for cow herding, no? When he comes back home late, they all get very angry. They're like, why you came so late, right? Why you came so late from forest? Morning also you go very fast. Coming also you come so late. And they start showing that impatience. That is also a part of love for the Lord, right? And she is decorated with beautiful jewels that give total delight for the eyes of Krishna. These are all qualities of Radharani. We can't imitate. We are only supposed to glorify and worship her, so that she will cleanse us and she will also give us little bit of Krishna prema, right? Yeah, who wants to try? 7th para.
I can try again, Mataji.
Yeah, anybody else wants to try? Saujanya Mataji? Shanti Mataji? Hare
Yes,
Krishna.
ma'am.
Yeah.
Shall I try, Mataji?
Yes, Mataji.
स्वेदकम्पकन्तकाश्रुगद्गदादि सञ्चित मर्षहर्षवामतादिभावभूषणार्चित कृष्णनेत्रतोषिरत्नमण्डनालिदाधिक मह्यमात्मपादपद्मदास्य दास्तु राधिका मह्यमात्मपादपद्मदास्य दास्तु राधिका. Thank you.
Hare Krishna. Thank you, Mataji. Yeah, now 8th verse. Who wants to try?
Hare Krishna, Mataji.
You want to try?
Prabhuji,
Keshav,
Keshav Prabhuji, do you want to try, Prabhuji?
Yeah, Prabhuji, I can try.
Yeah.
Yes, Prabhuji, please.
Dasanartha Krishna Viprayoga Sankha Ekadainya Kapaladi Bhava Vrindamodika Yajna Labda Krishna Sangha Nirgat साक्षी राधिका मह्यमात्मा पद्मदास्य दस्तु राधिका मह्यमात्मा पद्मदास्य दस्तु राधिका.
Hare Krishna. Yeah, so what does this mean? If she is apart from Krishna, even half a moment, she becomes stricken with wretched suffering, restlessness, and a multitude of other ecstatic symptoms of separation. She regains the association of Krishna after some effort. Then, when she regains the association of Krishna after some effort, then all her anguish immediately vanishes. May Sri Radhika bestow upon me the service of her own lotus feet. Right? See, these are the kinds of symptoms she used to show. Krishna was everything for her. Every moment she wanted to serve the Lord, some or the other way. Right? There was not even a moment or a fraction of a second in her life where her life was without Krishna. Right? Every moment her life was revolving around Krishna. Right? So that is called prema stage, or Krishna prema, love for the Lord. All the time she was thinking how to make Krishna happy, how to serve him, how to make sure he's pleased all the time. That was all. Radharani means that's it, giving pleasure, right? Right, Hladini Shakti, pleasure giving potency of the Lord. Yeah, now who wants to try? Muttamanikyam Prabhu, you want to try 8th paragraph? Yeah, 8th para, Prabhu.
Okay. यक्षणार्धकृष्णविभ्रयोः सन्दोदित नेहदैन्यचापलादिभाववृन्दमोदित यत्नलोब्ध कृष्णसङ्गनिग्रहालिना आदिह मह्यमात्मपादपद्मदास्यदास्तुरादिह मह्यमात्मपादपद्मदास्यदास्तुरादिह.
Hare Krishna. Thank you, Prabhu. Hare Krishna. Yeah, next, last verse. This talks about Shrutipala, right? And also about overall glory of Radharani and Shrutipala. When you recite this, what you will get, right? When you recite Radhikashtakam, what benefit you will get, right? Yeah, who wants to try? Those who have not tried yet. Saujanya Mataji, you want to try? Okay. Others who wants to try?
Hare
Yeah,
Krishna Mataji.
Srimati Hari Shamapriya Mataji.
Mataji, after you, Mataji.
अष्टकेन यस्त्वनेन
अष्टकेन यस्त्वनेन
नौति कृष्णवल्लभाम्
नौति कृष्णवल्लभम्
दर्शनेऽपि शैलजाति
दर्शनेऽपि शैलजादि
योषिदालिदुर्लभाम्
योषिदानि दुर्लभम्
कृष्णसङ्गनन्दितात्मा
कृष्णसङ्गनन्दितात्मा
दास्यसीदुभाजनम्
दास्यसि दुभाजनम्
तं करोति नन्दितालि
तं करोति नन्दितानि
तञ्चयाशु साजनम्.
सञ्चयाशु साजनम्. Thank you, Mataji. Hare Krishna.
Thank you, Hare Krishna. So, what do we get from this reciting Radhikashtakam? It is very difficult for Parvati and other exalted goddesses to attain even a glimpse of Srimati Radharani, who is very dear to Lord Krishna. That's the overall glory of Radharani, her position, right? Many exalted goddesses, even getting a glimpse of Radharani's darshan is very, very difficult. Right? But devotees, they always have constant association of Srimati Radharani. That is a position of devotees. That is a position of Srimati Radharani. Right? There is one day where Radharani's lotus feet we get to see. Anyone know which day that is?
Today,
Repeat the
Mataji.
question, please.
Not today.
Today, Mataji.
No, not
Oh,
today.
Gopa Day, Mataji, when the gopis dresses
Gopashtami.
Gopas.
Yeah,
Gopas.
Gopashtami. Right? So Radharani's lotus feet, we all know how merciful it is. Extremely merciful. 100 million times more merciful than Lord Krishna's lotus feet. but we don't get to see it every day. Only on Gopashtami we get to see the lotus feet of Radharani, right? She'll be in temples also. If you go and see, she'll be dressed in a Gopa get, right? So that is the glory of Srimati Radharani. It's not easy, right? It's never easy. And through Radharani, we get Krishna, right? So if you become a devotee, then it is not difficult to see Radharani. But if you are not a devotee, then it is said over here, it is difficult for even great goddesses, exalted goddesses, to even get a glimpse of Srimati Radharani, who is dear to Krishna. But if someone glorifies her, for devotees it is easy. If you glorify her by reciting these 8 verses of Radhikashtakam, then she is delighted by Krishna's continuous association. Then she who is delighted by Lord Krishna's continuous association will grant the sweet nectar of her personal service to that person, who thereby enters the assembly of her similarly delighted girlfriends. So we will get constant personal association of Radharani and Krishna in Goloka, that too in Vraja. There is an area in Goloka called Vraja. Only there Gopi and Radha Krishna's pastimes, intimate pastimes happen. That is actually confidential. Not everybody who go to Golaka will get to see that. But if you personally, glorify Radharani by singing Radhikashtakam, then you will get that association, right? She will grant the sweet nectar of her personal association to that person, and we can enter that confidential assembly where her gopis, all her girlfriends are also going to be there. Can you imagine? That's how powerful Radhikashtakam is. And these kinds of Shrutipala, right? The blessings, not ordinary composers can give. Ordinary composers cannot give. That's why always Vaishnava bhajans are encouraged, right? Because they are Vaishnavas and they are highly exalted devotees. Like here, it is composed by Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami. He is not an ordinary person. He is a very highly exalted devotee, right? So he can give the blessing, and even if he gives the blessing will come true. But others, like we can't, right? That's why Vaishnava bhajans are very powerful and they are very, very important, and we have to include them in our sadhana. Okay, now who wants to try this last verse once?
I
Hare
can
Krishna,
try
Mataji.
Mataji with you.
Kashish Prab. Okay, Mataji, yeah, try Mataji.
Can I try with you?
Okay. Ashtakena yastvanena
Ashtakena yasvanena
nauti Krishna vallabham
Noti Krishna Vallabham
darshanepi shailajadi
Darshanepi Shailajadi
yoshidali durlabham
Yoshidali Durlabham
Krishna sangananditatma
Krishna Sanga Nanditatma
dasyasi dubhajanam
Dasyasi Dubhajanam
tam karoti nanditali
Tam Karoti Nanditali
sanchaya susajanam.
Sanchaya Susajanam.
Hare
Thank you, Mataji.
Krishna.
Hare
Thank you, Mataji.
Krishna.
Hare Krishna. Okay, now anybody wants to recite any verse, your favorite verse? Anybody? Yes, Muttumanikyam Prabhu. Which verse you want to recite?
Yes, Mother. नित्य नव्य रूप केलि कृष्ण भाव संबद कृष्ण राग बंद कोब यौवतेषु कंबद कृष्ण रूप वेशु के वेश केलि लग्न सत्संबादिग मह्यमात्म पाद भत्म दास्य दस्तुरादिग मह्यमात्म पाद भत्म दास्य दस्तुरादिग.
Hare Krishna. Thank you, Prabhu. Thank you so much. Okay. So yeah, that's about Radhikashtakam. Next class we will start with the bhajan. So any doubts, any questions, anything to add? Anything you all want to share? Hare Krishna.
Mataji, today I was very lucky. Like Radharani actually blessed me. Like after the Abhishekam, we were called to personally, do the service of redressing and cleaning the deities. So while we were doing that, the head pujari who was, leading the team, he actually gave us each a small piece of the Abhishekam cloth from Radharani, not even from Krishna. Directly from Radharani, he had taken and given it to us. So after that, after I got that, I was called to, serve the senior Vaishnavas. And while we were serving the senior Vaishnavas, this same Pujari said, next time we are doing this Abhishekam, you come because you were the only one who was reciting, the prayers along with me. So you tell the others also that this is the way you have to do, because you listened to me and you were reciting after me, but the others were sitting and doing whatever they wanted. So next time, you come and you lead with me. So I told him, see, Prabhuji, I am not that worthy. And he replied, you might not be that worthy. I also am not that worthy. But Radharani is, blessing us with this benediction. So don't say no. So whatever benediction Radharani is giving, I don't think we should say no, Mataji. We should always accept it, because it is actually very beautiful to see Krishna and Radha together always.
Yeah, Hare Krishna, very nice. Yeah.
Hari Bol Prabhuji.
Hari Bol Prabhuji. Which temple, Prabhuji?
On Koramangala Mataji in Bangalore.
Hari Bol Prabhuji.
Okay, very nice. Yeah. So any seva, as Prabhu said, we are not supposed to say no, because some devotees are not qualified. No, right? So we are not supposed to say that, because seva is the process of purification. You are not given seva to glorify yourself or others to glorify you. Seva is given to you because you have to purify yourself. They know so much of anarthas we have, so much of karma bondage we have. So seniors come and tell, you do this seva, you do this seva, so that they know they will get purified. But people take it in different terms, different ways, and they say, no, oh, that seva I'm so I'm not qualified and all that. It's the process of purification, right? So any seva when you get, you have to do. You're not supposed to reject. In fact, we don't even have the right to say no. Nowadays, many devotees say no and it is still accepted. But actually speaking, when Prabhupada was giving seva, if anybody said no, Prabhupada used to get very angry. He was like, you have to be surrendered. Otherwise, this is not your place. Go. Right? I mean, he was merciful, but that was the attitude he that is the seva bhav. And Radharani gives seva, no? Many people think Krishna gives seva. No, Radharani is the one who gives seva. Right? So Radharani, making Krishna happy is Radharani's responsibility. So she is the one. Seva means making Krishna happy. Right? So she is the one who gives all of us seva. So never reject it. Okay, on this note, we'll end. We have Bhagavatam class now. Please join. We will recite Sri Radha Kripa Kataksha Stotra, which is composed by Shiva, and it is a mandatory thing to do on Radhashtami. Right? Radhikashtakam, and that stotra is very important. So please do join for Bhagavatam. Hare Krishna. Thank you all. Vancha
Hare
kalpatarubhyascha
Krishna.
sindhubhya eva cha patitanam pavanebhyo vaishnavebhyo namaha.
Hare Krishna, Mataji.
Hare Krishna. Thank you all.
Hare Krishna,
Mataji,
Mataji.
how we find the link for that class?
One
Bhagavatam.
second, Mataji. I'll post it here. Please wait, Mataji.
In the
I
Vaishnava
will
group,
post it.
Prabhuji?
No, I'll post it here in the chat box now, Mataji, for a quick reference.
Okay, Prabhu.
Later on,
Okay,
we can add you to the
Okay,
group,
so
Mataji.
yeah, so basically we have a group for Shad Bhagavatam, Mataji. You can join the group. We will post probably the WhatsApp group link we will post in Bhajan group. Alright, so you all can join the group. And now
Oh.
Prabhu will post the Shad Bhagavatam Zoom class link in the chat. So you all can join.
Okay, thank you, Mataji.
Mataji, I've posted it, Mataji. Please see if you're...
Just, yeah, I can just copy that message, yeah.
Yes, Mataji.
Okay, Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Mataji. Pranams. Thank you, Mataji.
Thank you all.
Thank you, Prabhuji. Hare Krishna.